7763 is a number that is known throughout the truck and heavy equipment world. Why? Because it's the old pistol grip 3/4 drive impact. This hot little item is the 7763D. It's got a D handle, 4 speeds, ergonomic for forward and reverse. But here's the other cool thing. This bad boy has 1,300 foot-pounds of torque. You can really take some stuff off and put some stuff on. Not only that, it's nice, small, compact size. You can really get it in there. The D handle does 360 on the front, so you can hold it on the top, hold it on the side. It's a full-blown bad mamma jamma of impact tools. Not only that, it comes in 1-inch drive. So hey, you got all your truck and big lug nuts covered, man. Wah, wah, wah. Chicago Pneumatics, SEMA Show 2015.